as we have already completed our chapter coordinate geometry, chapter number 3 from R.D. Sharma. Now we have, I have taken here one topic from the R.D. Sharma, that is mirror image. So how we will draw the mirror image of the coordinate? I have taken some examples also, and at the end of the class I will tell you how to fill this table. If you will able to understand this table, then you will be able to plot each and every point, and you will be find out the mirror image also. First point is 5,3. How to plot the point, that we have already read in our previous video or in the previous class also. 5,3. So here how we are going to draw 5,3. X is 5, y is 3, and their intersection point will be our required point 5,3. Now the question is, how will we draw the mirror image of 5,3? The fact behind this is very easy. If you want to find out the mirror image, if I want to find out the mirror image, then mirror should be here. If mirror will be if we find out the mirror image, then first of all we have to be clear that mirror image regarding the x-axis or regarding the y-axis. Because if in this if we are having one room, so we should know the mirror is in the front side or on the left hand side of the wall or on the right hand side of the wall. So we have to be very clear that mirror image regarding which axis. So 5 regarding x-axis, so you have to let that x-axis is a mirror, then it will be very easy. But I have told you that you have to take x-axis as a mirror for you. Fine. So x-axis हमारा क्या है? Mirror, and the point is 5,3. So mirror image means if 5,3 will be here, then we have to see 5,3 here. This actually it is a mirror, and you all know that the mirror, the image from the mirror is equals to the distance of the image from the mirror is equals to the distance of the object from the mirror. So if this distance is 3, then the mirror image, the distance will be here 3, and the point will be 5, minus 3, because the point will be look like 5 only on x-axis. Who will change here? Y point. It means ordinate will change here and abscissa will be remain same if you want to calculate the mirror image from the x-axis. 5, 3. Then mirror image at the distance of 3, because the perpendicular distance is 3, and here the perpendicular distance is 3. So the point is 5 is again 5, but 3 is changing minus 3. Now what is the mirror image of 5, 3 regarding y-axis? It means now y-axis is a mirror. If y-axis is a mirror, so first calculate this distance. This distance is 5 units. So go 5 units this side. This mirror, close this mirror. I have closed this mirror, and the point will be this. And who will tell me this point? It will be first x point will come, so minus 5. Then y point will come, it is 3. So what you have observed from here, if you want to calculate the mirror image of 5, 3 from x-axis, then the ordinate will change. मतलब अगर 5, 3 का आपको mirror image निकालना है regarding x-axis, then x point will be remain same and y will be changed regarding the sign only. The value of the y point will be remain same, but the sign will be in the reciprocal form. And if you want to calculate the mirror image of 5, 3 from the y-axis, then y point will be remain same, x will be changed. Clear? Minus 2, 4. Minus 2, x is minus 2, y is 4. So the point will lie here. It is minus 2, 4. What is the mirror image of minus 2, 4? My question is incomplete, because I should ask what is the mirror image of minus 2, 4 from x-axis or from y-axis. If from x-axis, x point will be remain same, means minus 2. Y point will be changed, means 4 will be changed in minus 4. So the answer will be minus 2, minus 4. And how will we calculate? Minus 2, then here also the distance is 4, then distance is 4. The point is this one. 4 unit, then this is also 4 unit. And what about this? Minus 2, yes, it is again minus 2. 4 is changing minus 4. If this point is A, then the A dash will be the mirror image. What is the mirror image of minus 2 comma 4? From the y-axis. So y will be the mirror for us. Then this distance is 2 unit. Now move 2 unit this side and this will be the point. 2 comma minus 4. 2 comma 4. Distance from the mirror image from the y-axis will be, y point will be remain same, x will be changed. Now who will tell me the mirror image of 4 comma minus 3? 4 without plotting. 4 comma minus 3. Mirror image from x-axis and from y-axis. Without plotting, we will able to find out the mirror image of 4 comma minus 3. From x-axis, x point will be same, and y will be changing the sign. Magnitude will be remain same. Only the magnitude will change. The value will be remain same. Y-axis. Y-axis means y point will be same. X will be changed in sign. Minus 4 comma minus 3. Minus 1 comma minus 2. The mirror image from the x-axis and from the y-axis. From the x-axis, x point will be remain same. Y will be changed. From the y-axis, y point will be remain same. X will be changed. Clear, students? So these are the general values. I have taken coordinates here and we have to calculate the mirror image. So I have divided the mirror image into two parts, x-axis and y-axis. So A comma B, A regarding the x-axis, x point will be remain same, y will be changed. X point will be remain same, y will be changed. Same, x is A, B minus B, now it will be B only. Minus A and this will be, it was actually B. Minus A and it is minus B. So the value of y will be changed. Sign of y will be changed. Values mirror image from the y-axis. अगर इसी point का आपको mirror image from y-axis निकालना है तो how will you calculate? Just throw these coordinates. I have just taken this y-axis, so y point will be remain same. आप इसको बिल्कुल लिख सकते हैं because this point is not going to be changed. And this value means y है तो x will be changed in sign. A will be changed in minus A. Minus A will be changed in plus A. Plus A will be changed in minus A. Minus A will be changed in plus A. And this will be our answer. This is the general form how to find the mirror image from the x-axis as well as from the y-axis. Fine, student. So you just take any example. You can take your any example from your NCERT or you can design the examples yourself also. And easily you can calculate the mirror image from x-axis and from y-axis also. And what about the mirror image of the points which lie on the axis, like minus 4 comma 0. Minus 4 comma 0 means this point. अब भाई इसकी क्या mirror image होगी? ये तो खुद ही mirror है. So no one is going to ask the mirror image of points on the axis. Origin. No, this question and no one can ask. That what is the mirror image of origin? This one only. Clear, students? So that's all for today. Just revise this question. Thank you, class.